This is on the good alien. Doubling up the clips. You know?
Ah! Well, that only happens once in a million times.
Yeah. Yeah. You just need to not pull it so hard.
I think we would totally repel off that thing.
There you go.
Bomber.
Yeah, that's it. That's the spot. See, they're stacked right next to each other, so one holds the other.
Yeah, I saw it in John Long's book, man.
Yeah,
That's right, yeah.
Right next to the equalizer.
Wow, that's quality anchor.
Is he hanging?